Find the smallest number that 4 and 5 can divide without the remainder. To do this, you first of all need to understand the concept of lowest common multiple or least common multiple. This video will break down two very easy methods of dealing with word problems involving LCM. Stick around to the end of the video. I'm very sure you will gain a lot of value. Seeing us for the first time, my name is Ogale, your online mathematics tutor. All we do on this channel is to help parents, teachers, and students find easy ways to tackle the difficult mathematical problems they have to deal with. If this is something you really want to be good at, please do well to hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any of our videos, and also give us a thumbs up, for this is one way that YouTube is encouraged to show this video to others who might need it. Let's go straight to the business of the day. How do we find the smallest number that 4 and 5 can divide without a remainder? The first thing to do is to go to your multiplication table. Check the multiples of 4. So what are the multiples of 4? Let's list some of them out. We have 4, we have 8, we have 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 40, and so on. Now we have to list the multiples of 5. That is, check 5 times 1 is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, and so on. Now, take note of the multiples we have just written. There are certain multiples that are common to 4 and 5. One of such is what? 40. Good. 40 is here, 40 is here. But is that all? Pay closer attention, you realize that we also have 20 and we also have 20. So it simply implies that the common multiples of 4 and 5 are 20, 40, and others. But what is the least? What is the smallest? The smallest between 20 and 40 is 20. So what this means is LCM of 4 and 5 is 20. So the smallest number that 4 and 5 can divide without the remainder is 20. This is one method of dealing with lowest common multiple. But then the second example will reveal the next method. Have you hit the thumbs up button? Have you also subscribed? Let's move to the next example. In this next question, we are asked to divide the LCM of 20 and 25 by the LCM of 4 and 5. Let's quickly write that out. Divide the LCM of 20 and 25 by the LCM of 4 and 5. We already got the LCM of 4 and 5 to be 20, so save that in your palms. Now let's use the other method to find the LCM of 20 and 25. We draw this table out, 20 and 25. This method has to do with division. We are going to be using prime factors to divide. If you've not watched the video on prime factors, please check it out in our video timeline. Alright, the next thing to do is to look for, let's start with 2 as our first value. Can 2 divide any of the numbers here? Yes. So 20 divided by 2 gives us 10. 25 divided by 2 gives us a remainder value, so we leave it like that. 2 can also divide this, so 10 divided by 2 gives us 5. 25 divided by 2 gives us a remainder, so leave it like that. Now what can divide, but 2 can't go anymore, so we use 5. 5 divided by 5 gives us 1, 25 divided by 5 gives us 5. We still have 5 here, so we use 5 again. We already have 1 at this point, so just bring it down. 5 divided by 5 gives us 1. Now how do we get the LCM using this method? We simply multiply the factors outside. We have 2 multiplied by 2, which gives us 4. Multiplied by 5 gives us 20. 20 multiplied by 5 gives us 100. So our LCM of 20 and 25 20 and 25 is equal to 100. But that is not our final answer. We are asked to divide the LCM of 20 and 25 by the LCM of 4 and 5. So we have to do that division. Permit me to wipe it off at this point. If you don't get it, please do well to rewatch the video. I'm sure you will get it here. So the LCM of 4 and 5, LCM of 20 and 25 is equal to 100. LCM of 4 and 5, LCM of 4 and 5 is equal to what? 20. So we have to divide this by this. So we have 100 over 20 gives us 5. This is our final answer. Easy peasy, isn't it? Please do well to subscribe to our videos, because in the next video we'll be explaining more on lowest common multiples. Till we meet again, this is Maths is Fun with Olani. Bye.